y'all. This is Miss Kitty coming all the way down from the south. Just want to say hello to everybody. Hello, everybody. I just wanted to touch bases with you because Miss Carmen had some appointments today. This is Tuesday, and she didn't know she had some appointments. She thought she only had appointments on Thursday and Friday of this week. But she found out about 5 o'clock yesterday on Monday that she had two, count them, two appointments early this morning. To say the least, she is beat, she is out of breath, and she's trembling like an earthquake in California. I tell you, that girl ain't got no sense. I don't know how she ended up missing them two appointments. But at any rate, I'm just communicating to y'all what she communicated to me. If you got anything to say, you can just leave a comment on her little YouTube channel thing, and she'll get back with you as soon as she's straight, okay? Or like we say down south, as soon as she's straight. This week, she got appointments coming out of my wazoo. That's how many she got. She got an appointment. She had two today. Tomorrow seems like it's going to be her only day to rest. She got two on Thursday. And she thought that she only had about 3 this week, on 2 different days. But she just found out that she had the 2 today, which I think she said she didn't even mention in a YouTube video thing yesterday. But I can tell you now that it's hot as heck up here in California, and I don't know how she do it, but I had to put on my bikini. You see my little purple bikini top there? It represents lupus, because she got lupus, you know. And then I got my little purple shades on in honor of lupus and raising awareness so that she can get better, y'all can get better, and we can all get better. How about that? We can just get us some ribs and some cornbread and potato salad and some greens and have a good time. Just as soon as they get that cure going, and just as soon as they get some better treatments, and then we can all have a good time. But I think she said today, what she said, oh my God, I don't know what that child said. She said she had 2 appointments a day that she didn't even know about. They called her yesterday about 5 p.m. talking about, you got 2 appointments, one at 8:45, one at 9:15. And she was like, I ain't seen no appointments on my calendar. So she had to, she had to get busy and get on over there this morning. But she got 2 appointments on Thursday. She got, oh, Lord have mercy. She got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on Friday. I think she said she thought she had 5, but I'm looking at them, and that's 6. She got an 8 a.m. She got, I guess they, RAD, R-A-D, RAD. What that mean? I don't know what that child wrote. RAD, maybe radiology, I don't know. U-L, U-line L, U/L. Okay, maybe that's radiology, upper lower GI. Then she got to go straight from there at 10 o'clock and do some kind of respiratory PFT test. Then at noon, she got to see her numerologist. Oh, not numerologist. What you call that? What she call that thing right there? You see that? Yeah. Oh, okay. Rheumatologist. My eyesight ain't that good no more. But she got to see her rheumatologist at 12 p.m. Then she got to go at 1:30 for a cardiac echo, Doppler, something at 1:30. Then she got to go right on over 3 o'clock and do some kind of cardiac cardiac EKG. That's what that is. Okay, so she got to go do the cardiac EKG. Then at 8:15, she got to go check in for a sleep study. Now, what the heck could anybody want to have that child go over there just to watch her sleep? What in the world wrong with these folk today? They ain't got nothing better to do than watch somebody sleep. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I just gotta go. I just wanted to update y'all, let y'all know what she said so that she can stop worrying me and getting on my nerve. I'm chilling out on the beach. She calling me and talking about come and make a video log for me. So I did it. Y'all got something to say, you can just say it right to her, because I'm out of here. I'm going back to the beach and put on my suntan lotion, and I'm just fixing to chillax. And that's just something that we say down south. And if you don't understand it, then you probably need to do it. All right. Peace out.